Good afternoon, students. Hope you all are well. Dear parents, we need your support. Kindly submit your what please. Dear students, you are watching class 7 science chapter number 9 respiration in organism part 11. So let's start, dear students. Exercise, choose choose the correct option. Question number first, A, the exchange of gases in the human body takes place in. A option is bronchi, B option is trachea, C option is alveoli, D option is bronchioles. Dear students, that C answer is the correct answer. The exchange of gases in the human body takes place in the alveoli. Now come to the second, dear student. Anaerobic respiration in human beings takes place during A, reading, B, running, C, singing, and D, sleeping. So dear students, B option is the correct, running. Now come to the C. Which component of exhaled air turns lime water milky? Question mark. Dear student, A option is oxygen, B option is nitrogen, C option is water vapor, and D option is carbon dioxide. Carbon dioxide is the correct answer, dear student. So take here carbon dioxide. Now come to the next. Fourth, spiracles are absent in. That is, first is A, fish, B is mosquito, C is butterfly, and D is grasshopper. Dear students, grasshopper, butterfly, and mosquitoes have spiracles. Fish is not fish. Spiracles are absent in the fish. So right answer is fish. Take here. Now come to the fifth. Which of these is a product of anaerobic respiration? Question mark. Dear student, A option is ethanol, B option is glucose, C option is oxygen, and D option is starch. So dear student, A option is the correct, ethanol. Now come to the filling the blanks, dear students. B, filling the blanks using the words given in the box. First, respiration involves the exchange of gases. Dear student, external respiration involves the exchange of gases. So right here, external. Now come to the B, dear student. In RBCs, the proteins dash combines with the oxygen and transports it to the cells. Dear student, hemoglobin. That in the RBC, the protein hemoglobin combine with the oxygen and transport to its cell. Now come to the third, exchange of gases in earthworm takes place through its skin. So right here, dear student, skin. Now come to the fourth, muscles cramps occur due to accumulation of dash acid in them, due to accumulation of lactic acid. Now come to the fifth, dash are opening on the woody stem of a plant through which the exchange of gases takes place. So dear student, lenticels is the right answer. So write down lenticels. Lenticels are the opening of the opening on the woody stem of a plant through which the exchange of gases takes place. Now dear student, come to the C section of this exercise. Now C, state whether the following statements are true and false and correct the false statement. First, dear students, some living organisms do not carry out respiration. Dear student, it is false. All living organisms carried out respiration. So it is false statement. Now come to the second. Breathing is a chemical process while cellular respiration is a physical process. False. Dear students, breathing is a physical process while cellular respiration is a chemical process. So it is, dear student, false statement. Now come to the third. A salamanders use both its lungs and its moist skin for respiration. Dear student, it is true. Now come to the fourth. Energy released from food through anaerobic respiration is more than that released through aerobic respiration. Dear student, it is false. Dear students, energy released from the food through the aerobic respiration is more than that the released through the anaerobic respiration. Now come to the fifth, dear students, that lungs are the main organs of the respiration. It is, dear students, true. Now dear students, D part of this exercise, name the following. First, the flap-like structure at the function of the pharynx and windpipe is known as, dear student, epiglottis. Now come to the second, the cell in the blood that are responsible for transportation of oxygen. Dear student, red blood cells. Now, dear student, come to the third. The organ used for breathing by grasshopper, that is the spiracles. Now, come to the fourth. The organs used for breathing by a whale, that is lungs. Now, come to the fifth. An example of an anaerobes. An example of an anaerobes, dear student, yeast. So, dear students, hope you understood these answer of the questions. Dear students, you have to do A, B, C part in your fair notebook in a very neat and clean way. Thank you, student. Stay home, be safe.